Good morning this Monday, the 4th of November. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher at the closing bell on the first trading day for November, despite the release of weaker than expected jobs report out in the US. The unemployment rate held at 4.1% in October in the US, but the US economy added just 12,000 jobs over the month, which fell short of economists' expectations of 100,000 jobs being added. The Nasdaq gained 0.8% on Friday, the S&P 500 rose 0.41%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up 0.7%. Amazon rallied over 6% on Friday on the back of stellar quarterly results, while Intel also added 7.8% on strong revenue and guidance exceeding expectations. Over in Europe on Friday, markets in the region closed higher, rebounding from 3 negative sessions. The STOXX 600 rose 1.1%, Germany's DAX added 0.93%, the French CAC gained 0.8%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.83%. Across the Asia markets on Friday, it was mostly a sea of red, led by Japan's Nikkei, falling 2.6% after the Bank of Japan held interest rates steady for the next period. China's Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for October came in at 50.3 points, which topped economists' expectations and showed a positive uptick in economic output in the region. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 fell 0.5% to close at the lowest level in 7 weeks as investors reacted to Q3 producer price index data, coming in lower than expected with an annual rise of 3.9% compared to the 4.8% economists were expecting. The price of gold rose 6% over October, which propelled gold miners and the ASX with tailwinds expected to continue for the foreseeable future, while oil prices steadied on Friday following weeks of volatility. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.33% higher at $69.49 a barrel. Gold is down 0.4% at $2,736 an ounce, and iron ore is down at 1.24% at $104.29 a tonne. The Aussie dollar is buying 65.81 US cents, 50.86 British pence, 100.55 Japanese yen, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.44%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has slightly reduced the 12-month price target on nickel industries from $1.47 to $1.43 and maintain a buy rating on the leading global nickel producer following the release of the company's September quarter results. During the quarter, Nickel Industries reported nickel production was below Bell Potter expectations, cash costs were 10% above Bell Potter expectations, and production from the company's Hengjaya mine nearly doubled. The reduction in the 12-month price target is due to lower FY24 earnings, which is slightly offset by the establishment of an increased production profile at the Hengjaya mine. And Bell Potter has reduced the 12-month price target on MedAdvisor from 62 cents per share to 55 cents per share and maintain a buy rating on the healthcare tech company following the release of the company's Q1 results, which was softer than expected but not worth a considerable sell-off experienced on the day of the results being released. And that's all for this Monday. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.